Hey guys, let's start by opening up idle, which is the Python shell. We will click on File, New File, and now we can start writing our program. Tuples are a standard data type in Python that store values in a sequence. Tuples are different to lists as the values cannot be changed when your program is running. Tuples run faster than lists and can be used for specific tasks such as storing keys in dictionaries. Let's create a tuple called burger, and we'll say equals, open bracket, and within burger we have bread, we have onion, ketchup, lettuce, and occasionally you might have meat. We have now created the tuple. We can check to see how many items a tuple has using the len method. To do this, let's say print len, open bracket, and then our tuple name, close bracket, and let's run our program. The output of our program is 5, as there are 5 values within our tuple. I'm going to delete this. We can print a specific item within the tuple using its index. Remember that the index value always starts from 0. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we got some ketchup. Can't spell today. Let's say print burger and then open square bracket, and we'll print the first value within the tuple. So we'll say 0, close the brackets, let's run our program. And as you can see, the output of our program is bread. Let's go back into our code and delete this. We can count the number of times a specific value occurs within the tuple. We can say print burger.count, let's say onion, close brackets, let's run our program. Obviously it should print the value 1 because there's only one instance of onion within our burger tuple. And as you can see, it's printed the value 1 in our output. To search whereabouts a specific item exists within the tuple, we say burger.index. So let's just change count to index, and then we can say onion, and now it should print the index value where onion exists within our tuple. Let's run our program, and as you can see, the output of our program is 1. Remember guys, you can't delete a single value within the tuple, but you can delete the tuple completely. To do this, we have to type del and then the tuple name. Because the tuple has been deleted within our code, when we say this function, the program will throw up an error. Let's see. And as you can see, it cannot find the tuple named burger. So this concludes the introduction to tuples. If you would like to see Python tutorials on other data structures such as lists and sets, do check out my YouTube channel and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.